Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm just going to dive into Polkadot once again and join me into the Discord if you don't want to miss these YouTube channels because I do roll out daily Bitcoin updates. Now here we are with the Polkadot. We still haven't broken out of a downtrend. A lot of coins right now are breaking out of a downtrend. So basically this Polkadot is finding resistance right there. So by tomorrow, if you can actually break out of here, back test it, that's sweet. That's amazing. And we're about to make a cross between the 20 and the 10, and Bitcoin is actually looking to make a bullish cross. So based on that one, this one can go up to 55, the blue line, which is $24. And if you start to break things, it's going to look very, very, very amazing. So here we are from the top to the bottom right there. Wow, okay, so look at this. We're already bouncing off the 0.236. Do you see that? That's being held right now. So for me, guys, the next technical target is eyeing for the 0.382, which is going to be the $25. As long as you're holding support of the 0.236, it does make sense, and you're actually making a cross of the 10 and the 20. You're actually holding support of the 0.236. That's positive. That's positive. That means that on the charts, at least, you're holding support to continue to go to that particular target. And who knows, when you break out of here, come back for the retest, and then boom, you're looking for that nearly golden ratio for $34 potential in the future. Now it's a big question. It's going to be a quick update right now. This is a big question of if you just break this downtrend, then your uptrend is going to be your friend. Simple. When you're moving down, 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 breakout, back test, that's it. That's it. Everything goes to the north, the south. The visit to the south is already done, and then you continue to the upside. So keep an eye on this one. Keep an eye on the 0.236. Go to tradingview.com. Watch this one. This is just trading channel. Nothing in here is financial advice, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.